This video will help you find Australian case law and introduce you to law reports, case citations, legal abbreviations, case citators and databases, law and justice library subject guides, and links to Australian courts. In order to find Australian case law, first we need to understand how it is published. Number 1. Unreported judgments. A copy of the judge's decision is published on the court's website or made available via the Australasian Legal Information Institute, or AustLII. This is the most immediate report after the case is heard. Number 2. Unauthorized reports. Publishers review unreported judgments and select the most significant to republish in their report series, with summaries, topic headings, list of cases cited, and legislation discussed. The text of the decision remains unchanged. Number 3. Authorized reports. Unauthorized reports are sent back to the original judge or judges for their approval, after which they are published in the authorized report series of the relevant jurisdiction. Each jurisdiction has one authorized report series, for example, Commonwealth law reports. These are the most authoritative source for case law and therefore the best source for you to use. It is possible for one case to be published in all three forms. Case citations tell you what type of report or judgment it is and precisely where to find it. They may include the case name, the year of the decision, the volume number, the report series, and the starting page of the case. Report series titles are always abbreviated in citations. There are guides available to help you know what these abbreviations mean. Case citators are indexes to case citations with links to full text judgments. Case databases contain secondary legal sources like journal articles, commentary, and research. RMIT students have access to online case citators and case databases through our library's subject guide for law and justice. Lexis Advanced Pacific and Westlaw AU are Australian case citators. You can find them under Cases and Case Law. Lexis Advanced Pacific is useful for accessing unauthorized law reports such as the Australian law reports. Westlaw AU has authorized reports for all Australian jurisdictions. AustLII and Jade are free Australian case law databases. AustLII is useful for recent and unreported cases, but remember, you should always check for an authorized version. Let's take a look at Westlaw AU. Under the heading View Online, select Westlaw AU Thomson Reuters package. Log in with your RMIT ID and password if asked. Select OK to accept cookies. There are several ways to locate a case. You can search by citation, free text, case name or parties, legislation cited, or words and phrases. When you find the case you want, select First Point, which is the name of the case citator. This case has 3 parallel reports, so there are links to 3 citations. The best one to use is the Authorized Commonwealth Law Reports version, which is labelled CLR. To download this version, select the tick beside the citation, then the download icon. From the First Point screen, you can view the judgment text. One of the benefits of First Point is the access it provides to all of the related documents for a case. To return to the search screen, select New Search. If you don't know the citation, you can use the case name or parties field. When you're looking for cases in a specific area of law, try words and phrases. Use double quotation marks to search for specific phrases. You can filter a large set of results by judge, practice area, jurisdiction, date, and so on.